Hey guys, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically install SCCM Client on your computers on the computers in your environment. So there's a lot of ways you can deploy SCCM clients to your computers. Maybe one of them is deploy through login script, GPO, or you can use WSUS to deploy client. Or you can use OSD, which is operating system deployment. A system client will be installed automatically. And the other one is install SCCM client through your SCCM site server automatically. So the one I'm going to configure right now is installing through SCCM site server. So now let's get started. I'm going to administration here. But before I going through the settings, let's take a look at one of my computers. As you can see here, servers 2016-002 is not a client. It does not have CCM client on it. So I'm going to configure to install client automatically. Let's go back to administration, go into site configurations, sites, and then go to client installation settings here. Click on client push installation. So you want to enable here, enable automatically site client push. So this means if your site server, if your SCCM server discover any computers on your domain, this process will push out SCCM clients. You can allow connection fallback to NTLM. That's for the, it has to do with the certificate. So I'm not going to check this one. System type, install configuration of my clients. You can, if you want to install on workstations only, you can check workstation only. So I'm going to check servers and workstation and also configuration manager site servers. And the next step is specify whether to install configuration of my client on domain controller. I would say yes. Why not? And the next tab is account. You want to make sure you give the client push account, which has full access to your computers. So in this case, I'm going to use the new or existing. So my account here, it has full access to all computers in the environment. So that's it. And then the next tab is installation properties. It is recommended that you put in the site code, and also there's other options you can enter. But in this case, we're just going to do site code only. And I'm going to click apply and click OK. Let's go back to here. I should see my server get SCCM client installed. We can take a look at the log to see if look at the folder for the status of the installation. I'm going to the server here, O2, going to Windows. There should be CCM set up, so it's not there yet. It's probably going to take some time. Let's go back here. So it's probably going to take some time for SCCM clients to get installed. So for now, I'm going to pause the video. So that's the step how to configure automatically install. All right, so looks like CCM setup is there now on the computer. Let's look at the logs. So this is the logs for the client, and for the site servers, you can look at the CCM logs, which is under your installation folder. As you can see, it has all it's trying to push installation to the computers that was discovered. Let's take a look at 2016. Here's the details. It's copied the CCM setup from the site servers to the computer itself, and it's using this account that I configured. Succeed. So yeah, you can look at ccm.log to see details on the site, the push installation. And let's go back to CCM setup on the client itself. So it looks like it's CCM setup existing with return code 0. That means it's successfully installed. Let's take a look at the console. It should change to green. So now it changed to from client no to yes. And in a few minutes, it should change to green. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you guys liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.